2 years ago, I didn't think we'd ever be able to have meatloaf again. And that's because regular ketchup has 165 milligrams of sodium per a tablespoon. Oh, but I found Heinz, no salt added, has 5. There's a pepper, Worcestershire ground black pepper, no sodium. I did buy reduced sodium Worcestershire sauce because I thought it was a tablespoon for 45 milligrams. It's a teaspoon. We're just going to put a teaspoon in. Got my meat mixed up and ready to go. Brown the onion. You don't have to brown the onion. I just like what it does to the flavor. Browned in non-stick spray with a clove of garlic. In here I have 1 egg, half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of oatmeal, 0 sodium. Put the onions and garlic in and mixed it all up. I like to cook my meatloaf on a rack. I'm not real fond of putting it in a loaf pan. For us, it's just a little too greasy. So I'm going to make 2 loaves out of this, put it on here, and let the grease drip off. I make 2 loaves out of this meatloaf. They cook faster, and it's perfect for us. If you are a mustard person, just can't use regular mustard because it's got 165 milligrams for 1 tablespoon. Sprouts Family Market has a stone ground mustard that has no salt added, but it's got 0 sodium. Walmart has a stone ground with no salt added, and theirs is 15 milligrams for 1 tablespoon. If you're a mustard lover, you can put some of this in. These 2 little meatloaves are ready to go in my oven at 375 degrees. We like our meatloaf kind of browned on the top, and it is after 45 minutes. Then I put 1 tablespoon of ketchup on each one and spread it around with my little brush. We'll decrease the temperature in the oven to 350. Let that ketchup brown a little bit. Meatloaf is done. 2 pounds of meat is 688 milligrams of sodium. If we stick to the 4-ounce serving rule, there'll be 84 milligrams of sodium per serving.